Okay, morning traders. Happy Thursday. Pretty wild markets at the moment. So, morning to the guys over on the Discord chat. Let me know in the chat if you got any questions. But pretty crazy markets right now. What's up to the guys over on the social media accounts? We got a few things to speak about this morning. First and foremost, we do have CPI today. Okay, so let's just bear that in mind. We have CPI at 2:30 p.m. South African time. So this is in the next 25 minutes. So that's the first thing to be aware of, right? Pre-market prep, I like to keep it simple, short, and sweet. I had some longs on the Nasdaq yesterday that obviously I was out, and then we obviously ripped completely due to that market headline news from Trump saying that he's reducing tariffs. Okay, so a lot of things going on at the moment, but we jumped literally from that move, from the high and low of there. I've been trading 8 years. I've never seen swings like this in markets. I mean, from the low to the high of the day yesterday, we were 15% difference on the Nasdaq. I mean, that's wild. to put it plainly, that is pretty crazy. So if you're making money in these markets, keep doing what you're doing, right? I've had a pretty solid month so far, and it's go like this month. It is coming along pretty nicely. Okay, so I've had one red day that was on Friday last week, and then again, just keeping things super simple and keeping it steady. Morning, Hoa, what's up? So it's been a nice month, my side, but yeah, DAX Slayer. Yeah, I've been trading the DAX very, very nicely. I think it's quite a nice index to trade. So if you guys are on during the London session, have a look at the DAX. We're going to go over a couple of reports with edgeful that I like to use. But yeah, it's been pretty crazy out there. How's your trading been? How's everything been your side? So as you guys have known, it's been a nice bounce back after a poor February. It's been a nice March and April. So nice, just keeping it short and sweet and simple. Okay, so we are actually, I mean, these moves are crazy intraday. I mean, the DAX is down 3% today. Of course, it's pulling back before CPI, but I mean, we did even on the DAX move from lows to highs of the DAX. Yesterday, we were also up like 10%. It's crazy, crazy volatility. The VIX is up at 37, up 10% today so far. But just to have a look here, yesterday we had a breaking news to say that China are putting tariffs, upping their tariffs on America. That was just before the open yesterday, and we literally dropped on the DAX 400 points, same as the Nasdaq. So we're going to speak about a few edgeful reports, and of course, this I'm live on edgeful's Discord, as well as their social media accounts, as well as my social media accounts. So make sure to check edgeful out. For the guys asking in the Discord, okay, there's no more free trial unless you come over to my link in bio, and you actually come over here, okay, and you check it out. This is where you can get the free trial to edgeful. Over here, underneath my trading essentials, edgeful technical analysis software for traders, come get the free trial over here. I'm going to speak about a few reports that I like heading into today's open. Okay, first and foremost on the Nasdaq, again, I think while I was looking for longs yesterday is that we had a bullish first hour. From 3:30 to 4:30 South African time, we had a bullish first hour. You can get the indicators as well that will plot on the charts, but I can see just from looking at it, we had a bullish first hour. What does that tell us, and what was that, how can we actually use it? Perfect. I told you guys yesterday that I'm going to be waiting for that opening candle continuation report to play out, because just in this market volatility, I'm going to rely on my data to help me make good trading decisions. We can see on the Nasdaq, I like using the CFD pricing because I trade CFDs, but on the Nasdaq, let's go to the last 6 months, and let's go you have to make sure that the correct timings are on here, guys. But on the Nasdaq, from 9:30, okay, to 10:30 in the last 6 months, if that first hour is bullish, 83.58% of the time, we actually closed as a bullish closing day. Now, I said yesterday in the pre-market prep that I'm going to wait for that first hour to dictate to me what I would like to do. After that first hour, markets felt very, very bullish. And yes, I caught this move up to here. I did not catch this rest of the move over here, but you're never going to catch the high and low of it. Long-term portfolios obviously managing to catch, and that's why we do diversify away. But what I must say is that This opening candle provides great context to what we are going to do for the rest of the day. As I said, in the last 6 months, the NASDAQ, if the first hour is bullish, 84% of the time will close as a bullish closing day. Vice versa for the short, 75% of the time. Let's go to just the last month. Okay. Last month has been 83 for the longs and 81 for the shorts. If that's not a great stat, then I don't know what is. But you can clearly see that that first hour provides great context for the rest of the trading day. And this is where I think you need to be using data in your trading to make sound trading decisions. Yes, you can journal and everything like that, and review, but data, having an actual edge in terms of what you're actually looking for, is the best thing. The first hour of the day being the New York open hour. Yes, from 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, the New York stock market open, to 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Correct. We've got some guys asking in the Discord here. And if you look on the right-hand side, the Discord is free. Join our Discord, and that's where you can get free access to the Discord. I was posting my trades over here yesterday. Like, actually, if you actually just go over here like this, look over here like yesterday. Let's go like this. I post my setups in here every single day. Like, look over here. I posted that I was long on the NASDAQ over here. So you can see over there. I posted that I was long on the NASDAQ. You can see I was long on the NASDAQ over here. Boom. In on the NASDAQ. And then you can actually see. And guys are actually seeing why. And they should know why. Because on my pre-market prep, that's free for everyone, I was long on it using that first hour's candle. Okay. So pretty neat trade there, I must say. But just relying on the data to help me make decisions, and that I'm putting through in the Discord, on edgeful's Discord, every single time. Yeah, well, yeah. Abdullah says I'll back test. Well, you don't need to back test. That's the beauty of edgeful. Instead of giving you the data, right for it. Go have a look on the charts yourself. But this is the beautiful thing about edgeful. You don't have to back test when you got the stats in front of you. Come over here to the Discover page. Have a look at these different reports. We've got stuff for scalpers, day traders, swing traders. Come and have a look at reports that maybe you will find beneficial to yourself. But this is, as I said, why I look for the longs. And if you were on the pre-market stream yesterday and in the edgeful Discord, you would have hopefully been able to make money along with me, which was just over $1.5 grand yesterday, which is really, really nice. So again, what am I going to be using today? Well, first point we have to mention is we got CPR. Okay, so some tips. I don't like to keep these streams too long. I like to just keep them simple and then leave you guys with a tip to end the day. Okay, so first things first, we got CPR today at 2:30 p.m. South African time. So in saying that, I'm going to wait until CPR is paid out. This is wild market conditions. As I said, I've been trading for 8 years. I've never seen swings like this. So I'm going to wait for CPR to play out. Second thing is, go look at that opening candle continuation report with edgeful. From 9:30 to 10:30, it works on stocks, American markets. Even go look at it from the DAX from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern time, because that's when the DAX market opens. Okay. And lastly, for the free trial for edgeful, you can get that in the link in my bio on all social media accounts, James Bruce 131. Come underneath Trading Essentials and you can get a free trial, 7-day free trial to edgeful. And then lastly, our live streaming service, ASFX TV. You can use the code James for 50% off. I actually took this trade on the NASDAQ trade yesterday on our live streaming service. So make sure to come check that out. Today, we got me smoking a cigar on the Thursday, 9:25 a.m. Eastern time. I'm there. Okay. So here, me and the team stream live every single week on ASFX TV. So make sure to check us out there. So have a good trading day, manage risk, and just know that not every single day or every single month is going to be a new record-breaking month. I think that's something that must be said, is that traders come in and they expect every single day to be record-breaking days. Not going to work like that. Take one day at a time, focus on your trading edge. Come over to edgeful, find 1 or 2 reports, 3 max maybe, that you find beneficial to your trading, apply it to your trading strategy, and then you've got data and edge with the help of edgeful. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a blessed one. Be grateful, and we'll see you on stream tomorrow, every single day, 8 a.m. Eastern time I'm live here on edgeful's Discord as well as social media platforms for pre-market prep. Have a good